Just when Apple's iPhone Air had everyone gushing at its impossibly slim design, Motorola swooped in with a bold answer, the Moto X70 Air. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Get ready for a Motorola device that measures under 6mm thick and weighing just 159 grams. This razor-thin contender isn't just about looks, it's about muscle too. While Apple was cashing on minimalism, Motorola brings a fully loaded feature set to the table, making the Moto X70 Air a serious rival. The camera system alone is enough to turn heads with a trio of 50 MP sensors, including a high-res selfie cam giving it a clear edge over the iPhone Air's more modest setup. Whether it's ultra-wide shots or crisp selfies, the X70 Air promises pro-level results. The display is another showstopper. With a 6.7-inch OLED display with 1220p resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits, the screen literally outshines most competitors. It even features an under-display fingerprint sensor marrying sleek design with smart security. On the insides, the Moto X70 Air packs a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor paired with up to 12GB of RAM for smooth multitasking and gaming. Storage won't be an issue either, with 256GB and 512GB options available. Thinking about battery? A 800 mAh battery keeps the device going, while a built-in vapor chamber ensures it stays cool under pressure. Durability hasn't been sacrificed for thinness either. Motorola has got a sturdy metal frame and top-tier IP69 water and dust resistance. When the world is chasing minimalism, the Moto X70 Air said you don't have to compromise features for form. It's ultra slim, but built to impress and survive. So, are you choosing it over iPhone Air? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.